This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Rumble. You will want to see this meticulously maintained home in desirable Ashville Park. The house boasts an open floor plan with ample spaces for entertaining, eating kitchen and dining room, along with a large island for extra seating. The butler's pantry will help keep you organized and efficient. Enjoy the oversized first floor primary bedroom with spacious bath and shower. The other first floor bedroom is currently being used as an office space. The living area looks out to your private, fenced backyard with no houses behind you. Upstairs spaces provide 2 additional bedrooms, flex rooms, and loft area. Move right into this lovely home. For more information, review the details below.